Hi, welcome to the Gear Grind. If you enjoy this kind of content, I encourage you to hit like, subscribe, and or donate. So today we're going to review these socks. These JB Fields Super Wool socks. I've been wearing these for a while now, and these are absolutely fantastic socks. The blend, 65% wool, 28 nylon, 7 lycra spandex means that the natural merino wool is absolutely fantastic, and we all know what wool does for outdoors, cold and wet. The nylon, 28%, gives it the durability, and then the stretch comes from the lycra and the spandex. So let's open her up. The size, this range of these is men's 8 to 12, and I wear somewhere between an 11.5 and a 12.5, and the fit is really good. And if you see here on the sock, there's so many different components to the sock. There's a band here at the top, then the part that goes on the leg over the ankle, a separately done portion for the heel above and beneath, and then a narrow section here over the arch, which keeps it fitted but not tight, just exactly as it should be. And then of course the toe, and the toe, like similar to the heel, has a reinforcement. And I actually like the detailing that it says super wool. Not that it really matters too much when they're inside of boots for, days at a time, but there you go. So I picked these up. They're made in Canada. And it discusses the benefits here. Was founded in 1877 in Tavistock, Ontario to make socks for the Canadian logging industry. And they've evolved. The comfort and value are the cornerstone of our promise to customers. No risk guarantee. You can return them if you don't like them. Would I buy them again? Absolutely. Would I recommend them? Absolutely. If you want to, you can donate and we'll see where this goes. Ciao for now.